I swore that I was going to learn how to can, and I was going to learn how to can with a real pressure cooker. And then I buy this thing, and it was supposed to be a Presto. I bought it on Amazon. I've had it for months, so I doubt if I can return it at this point. And it's just kind of sat in my cupboard because I've never pressure canned before. I've never been around pressure. Well, I've pressure canned in my Nesco, the electric pressure canner, but it's not good for doing larger jars, and I want to be able to do larger jars. So that's why I bought this thing. But now it's like made in Germany. It's got some weird German name. It doesn't really have any instructions, and it's in pieces. So I'm going to try to figure it out. And then I'm going to do like a test run. And we'll see what happens. So I might have to throw this up really quick with a few of my questions and see if I can get some answers from some of my canning friends like TJ Preps or Peggy from over at Page Family Homestead, or I don't know. I know tons of people who can. So please help me. People, what we're doing today, honey?
I'm gonna go look up this information on this, whatever it is. I have no idea even what language that is.
I don't know either.
That or not.
So I bought a pressure canner.
Where'd it come from?
It doesn't have any instructions, really.
You should have.
I can't find anything online about it.
You should have. No, really? What the heck is that?
It's all, these aren't the same size.
Well, then you got it in the wrong spot somehow. I don't know about using this.
Well, I think I'll use it without these on it. I'll take these off.
I think you have to have that on there. You just can't do that, and then there's a reason why it sits up off of the bottom. But no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it my own way because I'm going to launch the sucker through my roof.
It's not going to go through the roof.
Yeah, this is my engineer. She tells me all this stuff. You know.
Alright, so I have the lid, and I have this, and I'm pretty sure that goes there. Well, I know that goes there. There's nowhere else it could go. So, David...
Here we go. I think it goes here.
David says that I take these two pieces off, and this goes in the top. It only goes in one way.
And so it's locked in there.
So it's locked in there. And then I put the washer on, right? And then the nut. That's what it's called, right? A nut? Oops. I tried to put the nut on.
Oh,
maybe
boy,
it only goes on one way.
I feel confident now. Can you put the nut on? What the heck's wrong with you?
I don't know. Too much.
Oh, my God.
Help me, honey.
It's not having a... Well, the threads are all screwed up. For one thing, you can feel that. Yeah, they're not clean.
Okay, and here's the little doohickey to...
They call that a wrench.
Okay. It's for tightening the nut.
Yeah, we've got the doohickey here. We tighten her. Look at that. The thing doesn't even fit the nut.
It doesn't fit.
Look at that. God.
Do you have a doohickey that'll fit the nut?
Let me go get my doohickey.
Okay. Thanks, honey.
Jesus. You want to keep your special wrench?
No, you can have it, honey.
Yeah, I figured.
You can have it.
Since it doesn't fit.
All right, and then we got the weight, and it goes on here.
I thought you were going to look up, see if you can get some more instructions.
What other instructions do I need, honey?
I don't know, you know. We're just building a bomb here. We don't need any instructions.
Just don't put it in the microwave.
I'm going to start it heating.
Yeah, just don't put it in the microwave. We'll be safe.
I'm going to start heating it up with the lid on with water in it
So,
to do a practice run. And then while it's heating, I will go and do some more research.
Better run now.
It'll take a long time for
I'm
it to
trying
heat.
to figure out when it goes. You stay back in your room, Sharon, and stuff. The only one that might get hurt is Lorrie because she's in the open.
Why do you think it's going to malfunction? It's never even been used.
I'm not even answering that one.
Why?
The engineer running it kind of makes me nervous. But go ahead.
All right. Okay, so this...
You need to put...
No, I'm not putting the feet on it, honey. The feet are stupid.
There's a reason they're there.
It's not a reason that they're there.
Really?
Yes.
Did you call and talk to the factory?
Okay, I will. I'll do that but I'm not going to can anything today or right now because I have to test it
Where'd you find that out?
online. Said it whenever you get a new canner, you should test it
And then
empty first.
and what are you testing for?
Just testing to see how it works. Like to see how long it takes for it to bring water up to a boil. What happens when you put the weight on. How high, like if it gets too hot and there's too much pressure. Like that. I don't know what you're supposed to look for, honey. I don't know how to use a pressure canner.
Well, jeez.
I've never even seen it done before.
Well, God, I'm sure glad we didn't go into that bomb removal business we were thinking about.
Me too.
God.
That would be really bad.
Yes, it would have been.
Well, maybe I'll just throw this video up really quick and ask people, do I need to have the feet
I think you need to
on
find out
the
how to
rack?
operate the damn thing first.
I've never seen anybody I know canning. Like, I know you have to have a rack, but nobody that I know who cans, I've never seen them with feet on the bottom of their canning rack down at the bottom. So that just doesn't make sense to me. But maybe somebody can tell me that. So I am going to just quickly edit this video and throw it up there as quickly as possible and hope that somebody gets back to me with an answer to that by this evening. Like I said, I am going to run it for a test run. I don't think it matters whether that thing is on the bottom or not, especially during a test run because I'm not going to have any glass in there to break. But if you know, let me know. Like that could be for sitting a pot on it if you're, I don't know, and I'm really disappointed that it didn't come with any instructions. It does say it has an app for the phone, so I might try downloading that and see if that will tell me anything.
Give you the same stupid manual you got.
Yeah, like I'll show you guys the manual later, but for now, let me get some water in this, let me get it started, and yeah, and then I'll go do that. And so I'll be back a little later with more of my canning adventure. Thank you for helping.